I know stretch marks can mess with your confidence as a woman, but what if I told you that you can actually use tretinoin and Vaseline to fade every stretch mark you've had on any part of your body, regardless of how long you've had those stretch marks on your body? Yes. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how tretinoin actually works to fade your stretch marks, what Vaseline has to do in this combo, what realistic result to expect, what people do not typically tell you about actually using tretinoin and Vaseline to fade out your stretch marks permanently. We're going to be discussing all of that in this video. Hey guys, my name is Shuga and you're welcome to another very interesting video on this channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so already. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. Please click on that thanks button that comes with a $sign to support the growth of this channel so that we can keep bringing more videos like this to you on your screen every single week. And without much further ado, my loves, let's get straight into that video. First of all, this is not magic. Tretinoin and Vaseline actually helps to fade off your stretch marks immediately, especially if you give it time. So now, what exactly is tretinoin and how exactly does it help to fade out your stretch marks? Tretinoin is a topical treatment cream that helps to clear out blemishes on your skin, like reducing inflammations from your acne. That helps to also clear out other skincare concerns that you might have. So what tretinoin typically does is that it speeds up the life cycle of your cells, helps to promote the production of collagen on your skin, to now help to also further improve your skin's texture and to give you a clear, clean skin. Now, of course, Vaseline on the other hand is a moisturizer, okay, and is a go-to moisturizer that I always preach about on this channel. I already have a detailed review on the different ways that you can incorporate Vaseline into your skincare routine, into your hair care routine, into your home care routine. I mean, Vaseline is that versatile, okay? So if you've not seen that video, you need to go and check it out immediately. Of course, I also have a video here that is also going to help guide you on how to spot between the fake and the original Vaseline petroleum jelly so that you do not end up buying the fake one. I'm coming to say that Shuga did not give you the right information, or that I shared something with you and it's actually not working, okay? So make sure, my darlings, that you are using the right Vaseline, that you're using original Vaseline. So Vaseline, of course, like I was saying, is a moisturizer that will help to keep your skin hydrated and will also help to keep your skin moisturized. Now, if you have very dry skin or you have the tendency to experience dry skin, then you want to focus more on hydrating and moisturizing your skin. So now what Vaseline is going to be doing is that it is going to be acting both as a moisturizing agent or a hydrating agent, and also as a protectant to protect, okay, the product that you have applied on your skin, and to also prepare your skin, okay, for this treatment, and also after that to also lock it in so that the tretinoin can actually do what it is meant to do in order to help fade out not even just your stretch mark, but also any hyperpigmentations and breakouts, okay, acne flare-ups or inflammations that you might be having on any other part of your body. Now, one of the major reasons why I'm making this video is because there's actually a rule of thumb to actually applying this product. The key to getting results from your skincare products is to actually use them in the correct way, in the right order, and in the best way possible. And one of the best ways, okay, that I would advise for you to use tretinoin and Vaseline is to use the sandwich method if you actually want to clear out those stretch marks. But before I share that with you, my darlings, I'm going to be sharing with you two things that people do not typically share with you as regards using tretinoin and Vaseline to fade out your stretch marks or even your hyperpigmentations generally. And that is, first of all, that you need to apply your tretinoin on a very, very, very dry skin. You do not apply it on a moist skin. You do not apply it on a damp skin, because you want your skin to be ready on its own without any other obstruction, in order for it to sink into your skin, to sink into your pores, and to sink into your skin cells. I mean, if they are going to go in to help to improve your skin cells and to also promote collagen, it means it's going to be working from inside out. So it needs the environment to actually seep into your skin pores and to do the lots work that it has been called to do. The second thing you need to understand, okay, that people will typically not tell you, okay, and I am going to be telling you for free, of course, is that healing takes time for different skin conditions. Now, this doesn't just apply to when you're using any product to clear out your stretch marks, tretinoin in this case. The amount of time it takes someone who just started experiencing stretch marks last year, this year, or 2 years ago, or 3 years ago is going to be different from the time it takes for a stretch mark that has been there for over 5-10 years to actually heal. So you need to actually give it time to work. And I've always said on this channel too, on all my review videos, that if you actually want your skincare product to work and you're using good skincare product, not oshaprapra or my loves, then you actually need to be patient and give it time to actually do its work, so that it's going to have a lasting effect on whatever skin condition or skin issue that you've been trying to use it to treat. And now to the sandwich method on how you can actually use tretinoin and Vaseline to clear out your stretch marks and your hyperpigmentations and even other inflammations that you might have on your skin. It is what I like to call the sandwich method, and this means first of all you want to start with a clean skin. After cleaning out that skin or that area where you want to clear out these stretch marks, the next thing you want to go in with first of all is your Vaseline. Now remember, especially because tretinoin comes in different concentrations, I would advise this that you typically start with the 0.5% tretinoin when you are beginning, because it is an active, a very high-end active that could irritate your skin, and hence the reason why you need to go with the Vaseline first, which is your moisturizer, especially for people who have very sensitive skin. So you want to make sure that you moisturize that place where you have the stretch marks properly. After moisturizing with your Vaseline, leave it to dry, leave it to completely dry out before you go in with your tretinoin. Now after applying the tretinoin on that dry skin, the next thing you want to do is to go back in with your moisturizer. Now what petroleum jelly does most of the time is that it acts as a sealant. Okay, it helps to seal in moisture, to lock in any product, okay, into your skin. So what Vaseline is going to be doing is that it's going to be doing almost the job of a sunscreen to help protect that tretinoin that you have applied on that area, so that it doesn't fade off or wash off, you know, while you're moving out or moving around during the course of the day. It is going to lock the tretinoin in so that it can actually sink into your skin cells to help boost and promote the production of collagen on your skin. Now that is the sandwich method. Before I bring this video to a close, I must also, you guys, share with you very importantly, I've always also said this to you guys on all my review videos, that a successful skincare routine ends with a good sunscreen. If you're not using sunscreen, if you like, buy a product that costs 1 million naira, you've probably just wasted that money and you've probably just wasted that product on your face. So especially when you know that you're going to be stepping out after applying this sandwich method or applying your tretinoin to clear your stretch marks, and also most importantly, if those areas where you have applied this treatment is going to be exposed to the sun, my darlings, you need to use a sunscreen, and a good sunscreen, on your body or on that part of your body to allow the tretinoin to actually do its work. Okay, you guys, did you find this video helpful in any way? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you have other questions, also feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will be getting on with it immediately. You guys, thank you once again for watching this video till the end. You guys, till I come your way next time in another very pretty video, please make sure to like this video, leave comments in the comment section below, share out this video, click on that thanks button, okay, you guys, to support the growth of this channel. And of course, most importantly, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.